It is Saturday, August 17th at around 5:30 p.m.
How's it looking out there?
I was gonna check. What the? It is just absolutely pouring out here. The weird thing is, it's around 70 degrees out, and thunder. I think we're in a tropical storm, guys. Now, if you've been watching me for a while, you know I live in Oregon, and we don't get tropical storms, like, ever. Now we're suddenly Florida. Yeah, this is not good. This is an extremely harsh storm. One of the, worst you've ever experienced. Oh my god. Winds are around 20 miles an hour. Very heavy rain, as you can tell. Thunder, lightning. Lots of problems here. It's been around roughly an hour since it started. It's getting worse rapidly. I have no idea how long this is going to go on for, and we just don't know. Yeah. So, yeah. Update soon?